This next song is to the tune of Where is Thumpkin? And for this one, we're going to put our hands behind our backs. And then we're going to make some shapes with our hands. Grown-ups, this is really great because we're moving our fingers around a lot, and it strengthens our fingers, which helps us get ready to write. So first we're going to make some triangles. Whoop, we're going to have one hand like this, like this. Do you see that triangle? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Also, I can see you. Hello. We can make circles. Can you make a circle with your hands? Just like that. And the last one we're going to make is a little bit different. It's called a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. It's a little different than a square. A square has all the same length sides, but a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And I can still see you. Isn't that funny? So let's put our hands behind our backs and let's see if we can find triangle. Where is triangle? Where is triangle? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Next, let's make some circles with our hands. Do you remember how to do that one? Here we go. Where is circle? Where is circle? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. And do you remember the last one? This one's a little trickier. It's called a rectangle. Here we go. Where is rectangle? Where is rectangle? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away. Run away. Great job, friends.